Ooh, I wonder who's at the door.
Hey, Zomboo, down here.
Oh, why, if it isn't my little pal, Johnny. Hey, Johnny, why are you crying?
Well, Zomboo, I lost my dog.
Oh, that's too bad, Johnny. But maybe I can help you find him. What does he look like?
Well, he's got 3 legs.
3 legs?
He just has 1 eye.
Ooh, 1 eye?
And he's partially deaf.
Oh, partially deaf?
And he's been castrated.
Oh, castrated? Well, what's his name?
Lucky.
Oh, get out of here. Oh.